I'm Vincent Muliza. This is the group of young girls who are belong to the group of the dancers who make the celebration of the liturgy to be nice. And I'm here to introduce them to you, and they will introduce also themselves to you by mentioning their names. And this one will mention her name. And what is your name?
My name is Agnes Mate.
Agnes Mate. And you?
My name is Vanessa Patrick.
Vanessa Patrick. And you?
My name is Teresa.
Teresa. And you?
My name is Portia Manoka.
Portia Manoka. And you?
My name is Jenny Mate.
Jenny Mate. And you?
My name is Stella Matope.
Stella Matope. And you?
My name is Lucy Rashid.
Lucy Rashid. And you?
My name is Esna Kadanja.
Esna Kadanja. And you?
My name is Regina Elias.
Regina Elias. And you?
My name is Jessica Peel.
Jessica Peel. And you?
My name is Tendiri Maganga.
And you there?
My name is Pedro.
And you?
My name is DJ Mare.
And you?
My name is Jason.
So this is the group of the young women who dances in the church during the mass celebration to make the whole celebration